There's been a lot of excitement about these holes. One of the things we're all interested in is how almost perfectly aligned these are, and the regularity of the spacing of the holes and the size of the holes themselves.
And the shape of the holes. I will still say the angularity, the rectangularness.
Right, I agree. I mean, my first thought also is that that looks something man-made. They're so perfectly spaced. I mean, why would it always be that spacing? If you look in the fossil record, there are also indications of similar sorts of features. And so this suggests that there's an organism that has been making these sorts of features for a very long time. In the paper that Mike Vecchione and his colleague wrote, they were at about 2,000 meters, I believe.
We've got no idea what makes these things. That we don't even know if they're made by something underneath the surface, you know, making a tunnel, occasionally punching up a hole, or if they're made by something walking along the surface and punching down through the sediment. It's a mystery, basically.
It's clear that everybody does love a mystery, the public and scientists including. So as the public has been hypothesizing about what might have caused these holes in social media put up by our wonderful partners at the Global Foundation for Ocean Exploration, scientists have also been chatting back and forth about possible mechanisms to create these holes. And we've heard everything from deep ocean floats to gastropods.
I had an interesting email that suggested that something had laid some eggs subsurface, and when those eggs hatch, basically they create those eruptive mounds. Whales feeding in the bottom, beaked whales specifically.
I think I'm going with the idea that there's probably a tunnel connecting these underneath the surface.
I'm really still hoping that I'll hear from either a member of the scientific community or a member of the public with an explanation that is just spot on,
perfect,
incontrovertible.
Can't be disputed.
Yeah, it just makes complete sense because we've had a number of them, and they all, well, not all, but a lot of them have strong merits to them, but none of them are what I would say conclusive.